Hey, sup everybody, BMS Lou here. Hope everyone's doing well. Short video vlog today, something a little different on my channel, but you know, it's gonna be fun. Or I think it's gonna be fun, but got some ingredients here. My daughter is a fairly new, over the past few months, vegan. So we've been experimenting making some vegan dishes, and tonight we're gonna try one of our first vegan desserts. So we're gonna make a cake, and that means no dairy, so no milk, no eggs. So we have some yogurt, you see right here, some vanilla flavored coconut milk yogurt that we're gonna use for a substitute of eggs. We got a vegan vanilla cake mix from Pamela's, gluten-free, non-GMO, non-dairy, exceptional taste, we will see. And we also got some icing here, Simple Mills icing, vanilla. My daughter's preference is vanilla cake and vanilla icing, so that's what we're going with here. And there was somewhere on here, it does say, way down here at the bottom, it says it is vegan, gluten-free, corn-free, gum-free, non-GMO. So we're gonna go ahead and do a vlog on this. These are the main ingredients for the cake. I'm gonna add some extra flour to it. I've been reading online, if you substitute eggs, you wanna maybe add a little extra flour, so we're gonna do that. But let's go ahead and get started with this vlog. Okay, so we're looking at the back of the package for the cake mix, and I did want to show actually on here, it does show that there are eggs that you would normally do with the normal recipe, but again, we're going to substitute that with a little extra flour and this yogurt here. We are going to use all the rest of the ingredients aside from the extra flour and the yogurt, and we're going to just go ahead and do it as it says on the back of here. And let's go ahead and get started by mixing up all the ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and start with the ingredients here. We're going to put the cake mix into the bowl. See how that looks? Just like cake mix. Very good. Okay, as mentioned earlier, this is the 1/4 cup of extra flour that we're going to add to the cake mix. So we got that going on, and now we're going to go ahead and do a 1/4 cup of the yogurt. Again, this is a substitute for the eggs because we do want to keep this strictly vegan. So what I've read online about the extra flour is that it will help give some density to the cake because if you don't add the extra flour, it potentially could keep the cake too fluffy to spread the icing, and that's not what we want. We want to make sure we can put that icing on the cake afterward. All right, the recipe calls for 2/3 cup of water. This is 1/3. We're going to go ahead and get the second third in here. And here comes the second third. And then it also calls for a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So we're going to go ahead and add that in right now as well. Oh, it calls for 2/4. Is I wrong on that? Oh, half a cup of oil. Okay, my bad. I did say we're new vegans, so I'm new at measuring things as well, I guess. Alright, so we do have all the ingredients we're going to use today in this cake. I did want to mention here also on the back of the recipe, it does say for a lighter or fluffier, use 4 eggs. Of course, we're not doing eggs, but above that it says optional, use a 1/4 teaspoon of almond flavoring. We are not going to do that on here. So we're going to go ahead and just mix the ingredients we have right now. Okay, as you can see, the cake looks a little like sugar cookies. So it's a little thicker than we expected. So we're gonna go ahead and add some almond milk to keep it vegan and to loosen up. There we go, this is what we use. This is what we use strictly in our home here. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of almond milk to hopefully loosen up some of that cake batter and make it more liquidy. And I wonder if a 1/4 cup is going to be enough. And we'll continue to mix. Alright, as you can see, that did make it less sugar cookie-like. It looks good. And the best part about this is when we get it transferred from the bowl to the pan, we can lick the bowl as much as we want because there's no eggs in it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that transfer now. Looks good. Alright, got the cake all battered and in the pan. We're going to now put it into the oven again at 325 for 35 to 40 minutes. We will keep checking out. Alright guys, we have icing the cake, and that's the finished product. Overall, not too shabby. Took my time and did the icing, but yeah, I think I have some fresh blueberries in the fridge, so I may sprinkle mine with a little bit of fresh blueberry on top, just for some little garnish on top of my cake. But I think we're good. I mean, strawberries would be good on this. Pineapple, it's basically just a vanilla cake with vanilla icing, so you could add whatever you want on top. Raspberries, blueberries, blackberries. Since I have blueberries, that's what I'm doing. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I may do some more of these videos. And yeah, thanks again and take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.